Well, nobody wants to have to call a plumber on the holidays. 41 Action News reporter Sarah Blake has some tips just in case you have to deal with an emergency clog.
Well, if you shove a lot of this kind of stuff down your garbage disposal, you might need to call a plumber. Thanksgiving is coming up. Bob Hamilton Plumbing, they say that they get a lot of calls the day of and the day after. Things, you know, leafy vegetables, fibrous vegetables, a lot of potato peels, eggshells, big chunks of onion. That is a no-no. Of course, you have to do everything in moderation. Grease, that's also a terrible, terrible thing for your pipes. Isn't that right?
Grease is probably the worst, right? And none of this stuff, as long as you do it in moderation, you're fine. But you don't want it to let it sit down in there. So after you run your garbage disposal, let your water run. So you run your garbage disposal, let your water run for, you know, a good 10 seconds afterwards to flush all that stuff out of there, because you got water down in the P-trap and it'll sit down in there, and then if you put stuff in there, it'll just coagulate and it won't drain after that,
and
right?
You said it's kind of like a clogged artery.
Right. Yeah, and the only way to fix that is to do bypass, so we would have to replace your pipes if you put the grease down for a long period of time.
Right.
Yep.
And so say we're in a crisis Thanksgiving Day, what are the solutions? What can we do?
Ooh, the only thing that you can probably do is you could try to take off the P-trap, which is just as simple as taking that nut apart here.
And that's under all of our sinks.
It's right underneath here, right?
Yeah.
So you can see that there's a P-trap right underneath there, which is similar to this P-trap here. You just take these two nuts apart and you clear this area right here. Then if it's any deeper than that, you're going to have to call a plumber, and they need to come out and run a cable down through there.
Yeah, so we want to avoid all of that.
Right.
Okay, thank you for those tips. Nice do's and don'ts for Thanksgiving. Everything in moderation. I guess that can apply to how much you eat on Thanksgiving as well. Thank you so much for talking to us.
You bet.
All right, back to you.
All right.